If Skittles were toenails, this is exactly what they look like. Today, I'm painting my toes to match my favorite candy colors from Skittles. And I'm sharing with you guys how themed pedicures can help your content stand out, especially if you are selling on FeetFinder. Let's get into it. So I picked out some super fun colors. Red, orange, yellow, a greenish color, and purple, all inspired by Skittles. So I am currently starting with a quick foot soak just to get them all clean and fresh. Then I will be taking my nail file and filing my nails down and putting on a base coat. It's all about keeping it semi-professional so that way the final shots look super polished and ready for FeetFinder. The first toe gets a bright cherry red, classic and eye-catching. Next, orange. Honestly, not my favorite candy flavor, but it looks really cute on the nails. Yellow is super bright, almost neon, and it really pops on camera. Green's my personal favorite color, and it shines literally perfectly for photos. The last toe gets purple because, of course, purple's a must. And yep, I already got polish on my foot all over my toes. Typical me. All right, here's the final look. Honestly, I'm kind of obsessed. It's colorful, fun, and still cute enough to attract buyers. If you're on FeetFinder, little details like this make your profile stand out and keep your fans coming back for more. Themed nails like these aren't just for fun. They're a smart way to add personality and uniqueness to your feet content. On platforms like FeetFinder, having creative and eye-catching photos can really boost your sales and set you apart from the crowd. Even simple themes like what I just did, matching my favorite candy colors, can make a huge difference. All right, so what should I match next? Candy, maybe food, or something wild? Drop your ideas in the comments below and I just might make it happen. And if you want to start selling your own creative foot content, check out FeetFinder.com. It's a great place to turn your pedicures into a paycheck, okay?